Hi guys, my name is Noni Matigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Ratha. I saw an article from back 2008, 9th February 2008, Mail and Guardian. Mail and Guardian, I love the internet. They don't forget. So I'm gonna read it and then I'm gonna give you my 2 cents opinion. I found this on the on Twitter. Okay, on X, formerly known as Twitter. It will always be Twitter to us, guys. I found it there and I thought, let me share it with you. So Italy, this article says, Jeppestown accused apply for a recusal of judge. The Jeppestown massacre accused or massacre accused filed an application for the recusal of the judge from Johannesburg High Court proceedings on Friday. Judge Ratha Mokgoatleng was accused of being biased during court proceedings. The accused said that early in the week, one of them complained of acute stomach pain. They said the judge responded in a hostile, dismissive, and impatient manner to the accused and his defense counsel. He went as far as asking who is going to be sick next week. Speak now. I will have a doctor on standby, said Advocate Robin Stransham Ford, the lead defense counsel. The defense counsel said they raised a, hang on. Okay. The defense counsel said they raised a complaint about one of the accused detained at CMAX prison who was receiving only 1 meal per day. They told the court that the judge's response to this was also dismissive, saying, why are they not dead from hunger? I'm not really laughing, I'm just realizing. The defense complained that during court proceedings, Mokgoatleng had attacked a defense counsel who asked for an adjournment because the counsel wanted to have written evidence translated from Afrikaans to English. Mokgoatleng was also accused of intervention during cross-examination by the defense counsels. They claimed the judge was treating the state prosecutor differently. It is apparent to me that the treatment of the state advocate is different. The differentiation is unjustified. That created suspicion of bias against the accused, the application stated. The accused said there was misinterpretation or misrepresentation of the defense counsel's submissions. They referred to the court proceedings on Thursday, where one of the counsel requested a 45-minute adjournment to take instructions for the recusal. On resumption, the counsel disclosed that the recusal would be sought and therefore requested a postponement, but the judge proceeded to attempt to compel the counsel to listen to the footage of a recording there and then. He was visibly irritated, angry, and impatient, and this again reinforced the perception of bias and unfairness. The matter was postponed for continuation on Monday due to time constraints. 13 people are on trial for the death of 12 people, including 4 police officers, in a shootout in Jeppestown after a supermarket robbery on the West Rand in June 2006. So, why am I reading this? I think you get the gist. Judge Ratha has always been this person. The people that say Judge Ratha started practicing in the 1976 times, and Judge Ratha here still has the mentality of the apartheid. There's nothing that we can do to him for him. He is going to be like that until he dies, guys. If he was like this 2008, he was worse in the 90s and the 70s, I'm sure. Oh, he was worse. I think this one is the kind of lawyer who was telling people to take the plea deal. Excuse me, what? What did I just read? So he's the kind of a judge. And he did not recuse himself. It's just that I don't know where that ended. Because he ended up sentencing those guys. He ended up sentencing them. Hypo. I think he ended up sentencing the guys. I could be very wrong, guys. Correct me if I am. I think he's the one that sentenced them. Lo baba lo needs to be investigated, Sanala. Oh, Judge Ratha needs an investigation. He does. Because Tina, we keep getting shocked all the damn time when he does this. Kanti ubuyena, he's like that. It's who he is. I cannot believe my eyes when I saw this. I was like, Aibo, what's this now? He is that guy, Sanalam. Ubaburata. So that is why now I'm having questions. Oh, I'm having so many questions. Who brought Baburata into this? And why? Why chose him? Strategic plan match to choose Judge Rata to be the one that is doing the thingy? So he has always been like this. And he is known. Someone says, that's him. We will expose him. Shoot uzikhohlakalele lo baba. Yes, you have a soft spot for murderers. Those killers were found guilty and are rotting in jail. The judge is biased against murderers. That's a good thing. But this Boston person is such a sick bastard, I am sure. Because this is not about the accused, guys. How many times must we say this? It is not about the accused. It's about justice being done properly. It's about justice. It's not about the accused, actually. It's about the person that killed Senzo to take accountability for his actions or her actions, whoever the person is. The person that actually is responsible for the death of Senzo is the one that must take accountability. That is what this is about. Someone says all his judgment must be reviewed. Omunye uthi ubaba omncane udonsa udilika jele walelo qala. And at this point, I'm wondering, was he part of the crew that did the supermarket robbery? Because with these people, you can't trust anything. You cannot trust anything when it comes to these people. Abathembakali ngendlela abenza ngayo izinto. Sorry. Hayibo, guys. Hey! I'm telling you, Sanalam. So we should not be surprised. We should not be surprised, Kesan, with his behavior. He has always been like that. 2008 is a very long time. 2008 is a very long time, guys. So Judge Rota is not about to change for anyone. He has always been like that. I'm shocked that now it goes back to what I keep saying. No one must tell us Judge Rota is old. We are in Google. No. It's one-sided, Kalok Sanalam. So that's when it gets not accepted. If he was like that to everyone, we'll accept that we are Guga. But now the issue is he's like that only to the defense lawyers. Even in this thing that I just read now, to the article from Mail and Guardian, he was like that to the defense lawyers. So he has hatred for people that are being defended, and they are defending the councils. He has so much hatred and has reverence for the state. The state is always right. Mm. Mm. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? I just wanted to share that with you. Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Bye-bye.